by Anna Batchelor. Contracts are legally enforced agreements that is made when two parties agree to perform or to not perform certain acts. For example, when you buy a car, you have to sign a contract saying you'll pay the car note monthly for the designated amount of months. Tangible personal property is a personal property that can be moved, such as a car or furniture or maybe an RV. The 6 elements of a contract. First is offer and acceptance. 2 is mutual agreement. 3 is consideration. 4 is competent parties, which means both parties have to understand what they are doing. 5 is legitimacy of purpose, and 6 is proper form. Oral contract is an agreement that is not in writing or signed by parties, like agreeing to take somebody's shift over the phone. A written contract is an agreement that is reduced to writing and that is permanent. For example, if you agree to pay your car note, you are expected to pay it on the day that it's due. Contract is a contract that specifically states the agreement of parties, either orally or in writing. Side contract is a contract that does not especially state the agreement of the parties, but in which the terms of the agreement are implied by the behavior of the parties. Contract is a specialty contract that is in writing and under seal. Divisible contract is an agreement that is made up of 2 or more parts, each part being independent of others. Contract is a contract that is not enforceable from the beginning because it lacks one of the requirements of a valid contract, such as the person is incompetent and cannot perform the agreement. Executed contracts are record of an agreement that has already been completed by both parties. A valid contract is an agreement resulting in the obligation that is legally enforceable. Contract, an agreement that is made up of 2 or more parts, in which each part of the contract relies on the others. A simple contract is an informal contract made without a seal, even though the subject matter of the contract may be very complex and may involve huge amounts of money. Fun fact about contracts is research shows that many consumer contracts are not read, but they are still binding. So next time the website says, click here to say you have read the terms and conditions, you should probably read them before you agree to anything. This shows up on Facebook or Instagram, anywhere you sign up.